Welcome to my channel. If you're learning ethical hacking, stop wasting time on outdated courses. Because if you're still studying these old techniques, you're already 10 steps behind real-world hackers. And missing even one part of this video means you could end up stuck with useless skills. So don't skip. Most of the so-called popular ethical hacking courses were created years ago. Back then, they focused on attacks that used to work. But today, they're either patched, blocked by modern defenses, or too basic to land you a real job or bug bounty. So let's break it down. Outdated topics you should stop wasting time on. Number 1 on the list is basic SQL injection. Yes, SQLE is real, but most beginner courses stop at the classic single quote or 1 equals 1 tricks. These days, almost every web app is behind a WAF or uses prepared statements. So if your course only covers those old school queries, it's outdated. Instead, learn advanced SQLI with WAF bypass techniques and modern database fingerprinting. Number 2 is simple cross-site scripting. Oh, again, XSS is real, but those pop-up alert box demos don't cut it anymore. Chrome, Edge, and modern frameworks block most basic injections. What you need instead is WAF bypass XSS, DOM-based XSS, and cookie stealing techniques that work in modern browsers. Number 3 is outdated privilege escalation. Many old courses still teach Windows 7 or Linux kernel exploits that don't even exist anymore. Nobody cares about escalating privileges on Windows XP today. Instead, focus on modern Windows kernel exploits, sysmin evasion, and living off the land binaries, lol bins. Number 4 is classic Wi-Fi hacking with WPA2 handshakes. Cracking Wi-Fi with word lists is fun for beginners, but let's be real. It's too slow and rarely works on strong passwords. Today, attackers use evil twin AP attacks, Wi-Fi downgrade attacks, and BLE exploitation. If your course doesn't mention those, it's outdated. Number 5 is old-school keyloggers and rats. Many outdated courses still waste time teaching you how to build simple keyloggers or remote access Trojans. Let's be honest, those tricks are beginner level, easily detected by antivirus, and almost useless in real-world penetration testing. Instead, focus on fileless malware techniques, PowerShell obfuscation, and persistence methods that bypass modern security tools. That's what separates professionals from script kiddies. So, what should you focus on? Courses that teach API hacking and GraphQL exploitation, advanced XSS and SQLI bypasses, cloud security testing, sysmin evasion and modern privilege escalation, fileless malware, and PowerShell obfuscation. These are the skills that bug bounty hunters, penetration testers, and real attackers are using right now. So the next time you see a course teaching outdated stuff, skip it and focus on skills that actually work today. If you want more breakdowns like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Trust me, staying updated is the only way to stay ahead of hackers.